Welcome to the Top 4 Earn channel. When you surf the web or when you view videos on YouTube, I'm 100% sure you encounter ads on a regular basis, and I'm also 100% sure you immediately skip these ads the moment you see them, or you close the ad every time it pops up. Come on, you can't deny that, right? Well, honestly, I do that too. I kinda find it a tad bit annoying. However, I changed my mind completely once I knew that I can actually make money from watching ads, and I'm here now to tell you that you can do it too. Just by clicking some ads, you can actually earn fat stacks of cash very quickly and easily, with your income reaching to a whopping $30, and that is $30 for literally every single click you make on an ad. Now it sounds interesting, right? Well, consider this your lucky day, because you're totally going to find out how you can make money just from watching ads in this video right here right now. This is Top 4 Earn, and welcome to the channel where I teach you methods and how to make money online. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Don't forget to smash the like button, and if you have any questions, concerns, or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. Now let's get started. Today's video, which is called @clicks.net. Right off the bat, you are greeted with this text right here embedded on their main page, which says earn extra cash from your online activities. So basically what you're going to be doing is really simple. I bet you can even do this using only one hand, but seriously, it's just so easy that you can do this even when you're lying in your bed. All you gotta do is to accomplish tasks that are pretty effortless to accomplish, such as high-paying surveys, completing offers, referring others, several contests, paid to promote, and task bonus. With this platform standing strong since the third month of the year 2020, which is in March, this website has been consistent in delivering tasks to all users from all over the globe. Alright, so let us explore the page to know more about what we're getting into. It's always best to be fully aware so that we may bear complete knowledge of what we're doing on this website, as well as what to expect. As you can see right here, you can find the member benefits, which are the following: effortless income from home, lots of different ways to earn up to 4 cents per click, earn up to 4 cents per referral, click, guaranteed ads and surveys daily, and lastly, payment is made instantaneously. With over 200,000 members worldwide, over 72 million total ads visualizations, over 68,000 total offers completed, and over a gigantic $17,000 worth of payments, you have absolutely zero reason to be anxious whether this is a legitimate website or just a plain scam. However, if you still have anxiety lingering on, then I'm about to take that away right this second. I want you to go all the way down to the most bottom part of the page, and you will see this right here, which says proof of payment. Obviously, I want you to click on that, and you'll find yourself being directed to this page where you can browse through thousands of users getting paid in real time. It's also transparent that every piece of information is shared in order to inspire potential users like you to join in on this website. You can find the date of payment, username of the member, method, amount type, and the total amount. Trust me, I've done plenty of research about this entire thing, and this is going to be one of the best methods to earn money online out there. Anyway, if you don't have any hints of doubt left in your system, and I'm sure you don't have those anymore, then you're all good to go. The next thing that we're going to be doing is to go straight into the registration process. I want to go back to the home page and click on this red button right here that says join now. Once you click on that, you'll be redirected to this page where you can input some basic information about yourself on these fields right here. Just simply type in your full name, email address, birth year, username, password, and birthplace. See, these are just really simple personal information about you, so it's just like a walk in the park, am I right? So after you're done filling in the required fields, the next thing that you're going to do is to verify that you're an actual human being and not just a robot. You can do this by accomplishing this image verification right here, and after that, simply tick this box to signify that you read, agree, and abide by the rules set by @clicks. Before we're done, now I want you to review all the information you put in so that there won't be any confusion, and once you're done, there's nothing left for you to do but to hit this button right here which says register, and there you have it, your own account sent @clicks. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment below. So let's pick right where we left off. You now have your brand new account. Right, once you have it, then it only means one thing: welcome to this novel method in earning money online, and I'll take you through everything one step at a time. Let's begin with clicking on banner ads. You can find lots and lots of banner ads spread all over the website. You can see banner ads here. Bear in literally everywhere. Yes, they may be a little bit annoying, but actually those are our little money makers right there. I want you to click on any of these banner ads right here, and you'll then be taken to an external page that corresponds to the banner ad you just clicked. Once you're on the external page, I want you to do something, and you have to follow me very thoroughly, so pay close attention. You must never exit the page unless you've already stayed beyond the 30 seconds mark. This means that you have to stay on the page for at least 30 seconds and have some little bit of activity by scrolling through the page up and down. Just be sure to maintain any type of activity in order for you to not be idle. By the way, there's no need for you to click on anything, since all I just want you to do is to stay on the page for at least 30 seconds and maintain activity, and that's basically it. No hassle. Right now there's another method to earn money with this website, and that is through the daily fixed ads. Just head on to the daily fixed ads section and you'll be taken to a wide array of ads that you can freely choose from. Well, technically you're just going through the same process of clicking ads like the ones you did back on the banner ads. However, with the daily fixed ads it's relatively easier and much faster than the previous one. If you remember, you have to stay for at least 30 seconds for the banner ads, but as for the daily fixed ads you just need to stay for 20 seconds. Also, you need to maintain activity for the whole 20 seconds, so just be extra careful to not be idle. When you go idle for whatever reasons you may have, then that's an instant goodbye to your time, since they will consider you as a robot, and of course you'll not get compensated, so you're basically just wasting your time. That only happens when you do not follow what I say in this video, so make sure to lend me your fullest attention and take note of everything that I say. Let's have a little recap. You learned how to make money through clicking banner ads and daily fixed ads. Now at this point I'm about to show you another method in earning fat stacks of cash using ad to clicks, and buckle up because this is going to be a legendary. If you caught it earlier, I mentioned something about the website having a referral program, and that's exactly what this is about. You can increase your earning potential exponentially just by inviting other people to join the Addict Clicks community. Just make sure to invite as many people as you can, be it your family, friends and colleagues. However, I have a little bonus tip for you that you can fully execute if you really want to raise the roof and boost your income by a long shot. Well, this is all about inviting strangers online to come and join you in Addict Clicks. You can do this by going into a website called dimeforum.com. You've already heard of Quora, right? Well, Dime Forum follows the same mechanism, but with Dime Forum the threads and public forum focuses mainly on helping each other join affiliate programs. This is where hustlers like you and me meet other hustlers and then create an atmosphere of positivity where we can just help each other efficiently. On the search bar right here, simply type in the words along making money online and you'll be redirected to this page where it contains all the search results related to your keywords. Now everything from here on out will be smooth and easy. The next thing that you have to do is to click on any of the queries right here, and this is where you're going to shine. Simply reply to the threads to certain queries and help other people earn money by recommending adequates. The moment they click on your link and join in on Addict Clicks, then you get to earn money in as easy as 1, 2, 3. I hope you got some value out of this video, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. This is Make Money Girl, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, forum.